Hello everyone, I am Abrielle. Every one of us gotten a taste of beef steak and probably aware on its unmistakably delicious and saltiness and mild tang, but these flavors also go incredibly well with the pork chop cut, which are more affordable and have milder taste than beef. The steps are quick and simple and can serve as a fantastic starter dish for a beginner cook like me, so grab your apron so we can start making this meaty and juicy dish.
So here are the ingredients.
Start out by getting a large bowl. Place the 7 pieces of pork chops, 9 tablespoons of soy sauce, and 5 pieces of juice lime or calamansi to let that flavor seep into the meat perfectly. Marinate this for a minimum of 1 hour. Now pour 3/4 cup of cooking oil into the pan and let it heat accordingly afterwards. Place the marinated pork chops inside and pan fry them in a medium heat. Make sure to switch sides after 3 minutes to cook both parts evenly and nicely. Pan fry the other side for 3 minutes as well. Then take out of your excess oil. Put what's left of your marinade in the pan as well as 1/2 cup of water. Wait for this to boil. Then let it simmer for 45 minutes or until your pork chops are perfectly soft and tender. If you notice the water running out, feel free to pour more into the pan. Add 1 teaspoon of brown sugar and some salt and pepper to your taste. After you add this to the mix, stir everything together well. For that final touch of flavor and texture, we'll be adding 3 onions that we've sliced. Let's let this cook for 3 more minutes and you would be ready to serve this amazingly savory batch of pork steak. Simply turn your heat off and put everything from the pan into your serving plate. This should take only about an hour to cook if you marinate in advance the meat. There you have it, a gorgeous set of Filipino beef steak for 7. Yummy!